new to my channel, then hi, I am Devarati and I make content mostly focused on makeup and beauty. So today is the 4th day of my Diwali series and I made this look only under rupees 300. Yes, you're right, only under rupees 300. It was quite challenging to be honest, but this is the makeup look which I came up with. I've chosen all the items under rupees 300 obviously, but the quality is top notch. I kept a check that I don't degrade the quality, and just for making it under rupees 300, all the products which I have used are my absolute favorite. And guys, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. I will put anywhere down below. And without any further ado, now let's get on with the video. फेस को प्राइम करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग द लैक्मे ब्लर परफेक्ट प्राइमर एंड दिस इज़ द मिनी वन विच कॉस्ट अराउंड रुपीज़ 299. It has a pinkish hue and it's perfect for brightening up your complexion. Next for foundation, no surprise, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230. This is also the mini one and the cost is also around 299. पहले तो डॉट डॉट करके पूरी मुंह में I will apply it. Then I will use the brush and use the stippling motion, which will give you the maximum coverage, as the foundation is buildable coverage and it's light to medium coverage. It's definitely not full coverage, so you need to stipple the brush on the area where you want the maximum coverage. फिर मैं same foundation को लेके I will be using under my eyes as my concealer, as I don't have concealer which is under rupees 300. Well, Swiss Beauty का एक concealer होता है which is under 300 and it's absolutely fantastic. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it, but I don't have that, so I am using it as a jugaad as my concealer. And for setting my base, I'm using the Fit Me Compact, which is rupees 199 and it's in shade 109, I suppose. Well, it's an okayish compact. It doesn't provide a lot of coverage. Well, it doesn't say so. It does a very good job in mattifying your base, and people with budget, I highly recommend this one. Then from my eyebrows, I'm using the Miniso eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Trust me guys, I use this almost every day for doing my brows. It's an excellent product and it just have the right amount of waxiness to it, and the color deposit is also very natural looking. For extra support, place your pinky finger on your cheeks as a balance and then try to fill your brows. It will be more easier in that way. Next, for my brow mascara, I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow in some brownie browns. I forgot the shade name. By the way, the cost of it is rupees 265. Now for eyeshadow, I am recommending two eyeshadow palettes. एक है Nikake का, another one is the Swiss Beauty. Today I will be using the Swiss Beauty one and taking this warm pinky color. I will be applying it on my crease of my eyes and my outer corner. By the way, the cost of this is rupees 229, which is also under rupees 300, and it's an excellent pigmented eyeshadow which I highly recommend. Next, to blend away the crease more further, I am using this light pink color. The line of the crease, I will be buffing it out. अगर आप अपने eye look को बहुत seamless देखना चाहते हैं, तो you need to have a practice of good blending, as the more you blend, the more seamless your eye makeup looks. नेक्स्ट मेरे पास ये दो चीज है फॉर ग्लिटर. वन इज द प्रेस्ड ग्लिटर बाय वेट एंड वाइल्ड. इसका ना बेस है, इट हैज अ टैकी फीलिंग, बट द ग्लिटर्स आर लाइक वेरी चंकी एंड वेरी, इट स्प्रेड्स वाइड अपार्ट, सो आई डोंट रिकमेंड दैट वन, बट उसका बेस अच्छा है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्विस ब्यूटी वन व्हिच डज नॉट हैव अ बेस. इट इज अ लूज ग्लिटर, बट अगर वो वेट एंड वाइल्ड का बेस लगा के उसके ऊपर अगर स्विस ब्यूटी का ग्लिटर आईशैडो लगाओ, देन इट स्टिक्स वेरी प्रॉपर्ली एंड इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. यू गोना सी मी डूइंग द सेम ओवर हियर. Did you see that? Like, did you see that? Oh my god, that is blinding. By the way, the shade of the Swiss Beauty Loose Glitter is 07 and I absolutely freakingly love the way it turned out. I am using a brush just to line out the glitter. Next, I will use the fluffy brush just to buff out the edges so that it does not look like a straight line of glitter and it looks more meshed up and it looks like a gradient. Next, here medium brown leke I will be applying it on the outer V so that to intensify it more. a great hack to use any medium cool tone brown if you're having in any eyeshadow palette, to use it as a contour, which I'm doing exactly the same. चलो फिर से एक जुगाड़ू हो गया. Well, not जुगाड़ू, it's a hack actually, it works, but it was looking quite stark. इसलिए I took a big foundation brush and I buffed it out so that थोड़ा ठीक ठाक लगे. And I'm using a small brush at first because वो ठीक तरह से I need to place it, and I didn't really wanted to ruin my makeup because I was really unsure about it, but it worked. It really worked good and it was looking actually good. Then ये blush ले रही हूँ मैं from Wet n Wild. I think it's in Mellow Wine shade, and I'm applying it on my cheeks for that blushy glow on your cheeks. Then ये pearly की shade लेके I am highlighting my face. It's also a hack. Like if you have a palette जहाँ पे सब colors है, you can literally do your whole face out of it. So the color was actually a quite match. I was really shocked. मैं ये सोच रही थी कि ये ज़्यादा pink ना हो जाए, but it really matched. Like I'm proud of myself, seriously. तो फिर मैं ये crease color लेके I'm also applying it on my waterline. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and oh my god, this is like a world rave product which I finally got in Flipkart. Like I was so amazed by seeing this on Flipkart because Essence के product कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलते. Like it has been ages जब Nykaa, you know, they used to sell this product. The wand of this mascara is really thin so that it can coat each and every lash. You can see me, like the effect it gives is like outstanding. I really recommend this product. फिर मैं एक tiny baby wing draw कर रही हूँ. It's very simple, just only on the outside. I'm not dragging it towards the inner corners. Okay, now for lipstick you have tons of options. First I am showing this is the Faces Canada matte lipstick, then the Miss Claire lipsticks, then the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick, and lastly the Maybelline one. The Nykaa also has the mini version of it which is under 300. You can really go and try that one. That is amazing. But over here I'm trying the Miss Claire one in the shade 47. It's a very nice nudie pink color which goes perfectly with this look.
This, then you know what to do. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.
And until then, bye. See you in my next video.